If your product or SaaS has messy documentation, scattered guides, or outdated help pages, then this tool might fix that problem. Today, I'm talking about documentation, AI. So what does it actually do? In simple terms, this tool helps you create, manage, and publish product documentation, API docs, and help centers all in one place. But the main difference is, it's built for both humans and AI systems. What I found interesting is the built-in AI assistant. Instead of users searching through pages, they can just ask questions directly inside your documentation and get clear answers with sources. That can really improve user experience, especially for SaaS products. Another strong feature is how it keeps documentation updated. There's an AI agent that automatically suggests changes, fixes structure, and updates content when your product changes. So you don't have to rewrite everything manually again and again. It also supports API documentation. You can import your API and it creates clean, structured docs with examples and even a playground to test endpoints. That's useful for developers and technical teams. From a setup point of view, it's pretty flexible. You can use a visual editor or connect with GitHub if you prefer working with code. Plus, you can customize the design to match your brand. Now, talking about the experience, the biggest benefit here is organization. Everything stays in one place, and your docs become easier to maintain and more useful for users. Overall, documentation. AI is a strong option if you want to build clean, modern documentation that works not just for users, but also for AI tools. If you're running a SaaS product, agency, or developer-focused business, this tool can help you stay organized and improve how users understand your product.